Hello and welcome to this week's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiro. This week we're going to be making biryani, which was my very first request. I hope you enjoy. To make the biryani stew, we'll need an onion and garlic, 2 diced tomatoes and 1 bell pepper, 2 medium-sized onions diced into rings, 3 medium-sized potatoes chopped into small pieces, and chicken. I used 6 chicken pieces, which were 700 grams, but you can replace that with 750 grams of beef cubes to make beef biryani. I'll start by frying the onion rings until they are golden, which will take about 5 minutes. While they fry, I'll add a teaspoon of turmeric to the potatoes to give them a nice yellow color, or you can just use yellow food coloring. After the onions are ready, I remove them from the oil and add the potatoes. I'll fry them for 8 minutes on medium heat. Once they are done, I remove them from the oil and set them aside, and then I'll use them later on. In a different sufuria, I'll add cooking oil and then the garlic and onion. I used 2 cloves of garlic and let them fry for 3 minutes. Once the onions are ready, I'll add in the tomatoes and bell pepper and let them cook completely, which will take about 5 minutes. The tomatoes are cooked. I'll now add in the chicken pieces together with the water that had remained after boiling. I'll then add in the spices, starting with salt to taste. You can add black pepper, which is optional. 1 teaspoon of pilau masala. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. 2 teaspoons of roiko, 100 grams of tomato paste. Add a chicken cube, stir, and then add in the fried potatoes and let them cook for 5 minutes. While the stew is cooking, I'll start preparing the rice. I'll add in an onion, add salt to taste, and then 2 teaspoons of biryani masala because I will be using the normal cooking rice. But the best rice to use for biryani is either pishori or basmati rice. I used 1.5 cups of rice, and to that I added 3 cups of water. As the rice is boiling, I'll add in the fried onions to the biryani stew, and then I'll add 250 ml of plain yogurt, or you can use fermented milk, and let it boil on low heat for 10 minutes. The rice is now cooked as well as the biryani, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching.